What's up, my crypto legends? In this episode, I have him here again. It's Carl from the moon. He's going to talk about, the general crypto sentiment. Are we in a larger bear market? How long is it going to take? And he's also going to give us some updates on Casta, guys. Carl, how are you doing?
I'm doing well. Obviously, we are seeing a correction currently ever since we came close to $70,000, but I'm in it for the long term. So any kind of dip is for me just another opportunity to buy low.
Exactly. I mean, the sentiment is absolutely crazy. I can see a lot of people calling for 30,000, 20,000, and even 10,000 Bitcoin. What do you think about that? Is that possible, or are people just going a little bit crazy?
$10,000 is never going to happen again, ever. That's for sure. $20,000, I also think is very unlikely. Something like 30,000 is something that definitely could happen. I mean, if we go down there, it wouldn't be very unusual from a historical point of view. Bitcoin has seen large corrections historically. But something like 10K, no, it's not going to happen. Honestly, if 10K happens, I'm going to make I'll tell you this right now. If Bitcoin goes to 10K, I will make a $1 million giveaway on my channel.
Oh, wow, I'll definitely sign up for that. Yeah, exactly. I think it's very improbable, that we're going to go. We usually don't break below the last all-time highs from the last cycle. And, interest is going up. We can see on-chain data also, a lot of people creating, more wallets, more interest. So I think it's very, very improbable also. So you think maybe Bitcoin market, crypto market in general, is going to go for more months in the bear market? Is it going to recover? Is it going to be similar or very different to the other cycles, Carl?
Well, I've been saying now for a few weeks that Bitcoin needs to hold above $41,000. Obviously, right now, we're really testing those key levels. If we do see a clear break below 41,000 and stay below it for like 2-3 weeks, then in my opinion, that would be a very clear confirmation of a weekly bear market. Currently, we are technically still in a weekly bull market, in my opinion, with higher lows, higher highs. So I'm still bullish.
Yeah.
But I've been talking about the $41,000 level for a long time now, and actually, right now we are, hanging by a thread. If those levels break now, then actually we would have to start considering a more bearish scenario, but no need to panic sell right now as long as we're holding above that critical support.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, I think the same also. On the weekly, I'm still pretty bearish. It's that 40K level that if we start losing, going down to 35, then it might be several months more than the sideways action bear market. Okay, Carl, thank you very much for letting me know what do you think about the crypto market and Bitcoin. But something very, very interesting that I want to know, and a lot of people want to know, is about Kasta. Okay, the launch was there, complete success on Bybit. I know they're overloaded. There was a little bit of problems with Bybit, but the token is launched now. What's happening next? We got the Kasta application. When is that going to be launched? Do you have any ideas, more or less, when that is going to be launched?
Yeah, I mean, honestly, I think the launch of Kasta was something we never saw before. We had $100 million of volume on the first day. I literally never saw that before. If you go to CoinMarketCap on the top 100, you will see that we had more volume on day one than more than half of the whole top 100 on the CoinMarketCap. The Castians, like 200,000-300,000 Castians just all jumped into Bybit and completely broke Bybit, a top tier one exchange. We never saw that before. So honestly, the hype around Kasta is like, something I never saw before. And I think it's very, very cool to see that the Castians are so powerful and so bullish on the project. And of course, that also gives a lot of pressure to us now. Like we really want to deliver, But that's why we're so excited now to launch the app within approximately like 3 months. That's what my developers are telling me. And the app is going to be very, very beautiful. I've seen some nice teasers, and actually, I think we posted a teaser a few days ago, I think, on Twitter,
Yeah,
and people got very excited because obviously the token launch is cool, but the very, very big news would be the app launch. That's the core of our business, right? So I'm super excited for that. But yeah, 3 months approximately, then you will see the app. And for everyone who don't know, like Casta will basically be very similar to like crypto.com, Celsius, Nexo, however, with a very clear priority on payments as well. So we're combining the wealth management aspect of these other competitors, but we're also adding on the PayPal, Venmo kind of payments function. So that's what we're doing with Casta. And I think that's why people are so bullish, because they understand that this is somehow very obvious, but like no one did it before. So we're kind of the first one to go into that one.
Yeah, it's a revolution, I think, because it's the recipe for mass adoption. Because we can take a look at crypto.com, Celsius, but they don't have the super fast transaction, the swap engine, and all of these features that Casta is going to give, right? They don't have it. And I think the easy friendly application that's coming out, I did see the teaser also on Twitter, and it's absolutely amazing. The faster transactions, the swap also, if you want to send Bitcoin, receive it in dollars, it's absolutely crazy. So I'm very excited about it. I think that people don't realize how big this is going to be. So yeah, very excited. Thank you very much for that update, Cole. Anything else you want to say regarding Casta to my community?
Well, join the waitlist, because the waitlist is going to be essentially our queuing system, or like line system when the app is launched. Because what we noticed with Bybit is that there's no way we can allow everyone to jump into the app at the same time. Because if we crash Bybit, one of the biggest exchanges in crypto, then our new app will definitely crash if we allow even half of these people join the app. So what we have is our waitlist, and the sooner you join the waitlist, the sooner you will get access to the app. So that's something I can say. So it's Kasta.io. Would be great if you can just leave a link down below. So
I believe in you.
And just follow the Casta Twitter and all of that stuff. And of course, if you want to buy the Casta token, Bybit is the place to do that. And I'm sure you will have an affiliate link down below where people can get a bonus and everything. So yeah, buy the Casta token on Bybit, and wait for the app, because it's going to come very soon. And I think you will like it.
Absolutely. I'm really excited about it. Super, super. I mean, I'm going to get my mom, I'm going to get some family to get into the app. And, because if you go to, like you said, crypto.com, Celsius, or any of these crypto applications, they're still pretty complex. They still have, the gas fees. And I've seen the teaser. Casta application looks really easy friendly, even your grandmother use it. Right?
That's literally the reason why we started Casta. Crypto is so hard to use. Like, obviously you and me, we're used to it, so for us it's maybe not so hard. But even me, I've been in crypto for like 4 or 5 years now. I sometimes still it happens that I make mistakes. I send to the wrong address, or I use the wrong network, and I'm always feeling a little bit anxious when I'm sending, like, let's say a Bitcoin, like $50,000 or something, I'm sending it over. I'm always like double checking the address, checking all the numbers and everything. And as long as the transaction is pending, I'm always like,
exactly. There's always a little bit
even
of
though I did it 100 times. Exactly. There's always that small thread of doubt there. But with Casta, we're going to make it dead simple. So basically, to make it easy to understand. So when you send money to someone through Casta, either you click their phone number or their profile picture and you just send it. So it's like, no doubt you're sending it to the right person. And we will also use something called cast tags. Just like on Twitter, you have a your handle, or on Instagram, like @Andy, for example, Andy Bitcoinsensus. In Casta, you will have a cast tag. So for example, mine will be @Carl or @TheMoon. And then if you want to send money to me, you just click @Carl. So you make sure that it's my address. And @Carl is easier to verify rather than BC1XYZ3, all these alphanumeric public key addresses. So we're making it dead simple, because young children, old grandmas, they need it to be very simple to use crypto, and we need mass adoption to happen faster, and that is what we're doing with Casta.
Absolutely great. I mean, that's fantastic. Really excited about the application. Guys, all the links for the waitlist and Casta Twitter is down below in the description. Carl, thank you very much. I mean, I'll get you back into the channel for the updates on Casta, because yeah, it's coming. It's coming. All right.
Definitely. Thank you so much, Andy.
Thank you, Carl. I'll see you in the next one.